Are you planning to have braces? Your dentist must be fooling you. Your orthodontist must have not told you before he is putting on these braces on you. Yes, braces do dissolve your jawbones. And if you are not believing me, do definitely watch the video. And before undergoing the braces procedure, think twice. Yes, today I am going to tell you the real truth. Why and how the braces work. Come, let us have a look at this video.
Subscribe to my channel Dr. Mansi Shah to get dental information, facts and tips.
Hello and a very happy morning to all of you, and here you are on my show Monday Mornings with Mansi and my YouTube channel Dr. Mansi Shah. So friends, today we are going to discuss on how exactly do these braces work, and is there really a thing of worry that you should think twice before having those braces. Come, let us talk about it today and know the truth. Friends, every day we are biting on so many hard things around. And these hard things can easily crush and crumble your bone. But that does not really happen. There is so much pressure that your teeth are bearing up. But what exactly happens? Why aren't this bone getting crumbled and crushed? It is because of thanks to the mechanism or the body structure in how they are naturally formed. What I am exactly speaking about is the PDL space. Yes, it is going to be a life savior. This PDL space has those ligaments or periodontal ligaments is what the full form says. They have those ligaments, those fibers which attaches the teeth to the bone. And these fibers, they also act as a cushioning effect. So whatever pressure is being applied is taken up by these ligaments and fibers, and less amount of pressure or is the distributed pressure is given down to your bone. And hence your bone does not really crumble up. Now, why am I telling you this? Because this PDL fibers, when applied a continuous pressure or a lot of pressure, they send signals to send osteoblast and osteoclast. Oh my god, Dr. Mansi, too many scientific terms. Don't worry, I'll explain. Osteoblast. Osteo means bone and blast means bone forming. Again, osteoclast. Osteo means bone and clast is bone breaking. So these are bone forming and bone breaking cells or bone degenerating cells. So these cells, they are signaled by your PDL fibers, and when they come into picture, new bone formation takes place or the old bone degeneration takes place. Yes, this same mechanism is applied to your braces. And do you know that every year almost 10% of your whole body is newly formed by the help of this osteoblast and osteoclast? Amazed, right? Yes, so this osteoblast and osteoclast are continuously working in your bodies in the areas where you get injury or in the areas where new formation of bone, the growth and everything else is required. Now, coming down to braces, how do they exactly work? Why did I say that they do dissolve jaw bones? The mechanism is very much simple to understand, and this is how you will understand how do braces really work. So now, for example, take into picture that you have a tooth, on that you have braces. Now that tooth has to be changed from its left side upper to right side down to get into alignment. So you have to change it from left to right. What will happen is the braces will be applied. Your dentist will keep on applying some continuous pressure on it. After applying continuous pressure on it, what happens is your tooth is under continuous pressure. The PDL fibers sends signals for production of osteoblast and osteoclast. Now, the tooth has to move according to the dentist to the right side. So, what will happen? It will need some space to go and create on the right side. So there, the osteoclast, the bone degenerating cells will work. And on the left side, the bone forming cells will work, that is osteoblast. So your end result will be degeneration on right side and formation on left side. So your tooth will gradually move into the space that is created. And this is how your braces work. Now, when you visit an orthodontist for your adjustment appointments, what you actually think is that he is tightening all the wires and elastics and a pressure is created on the teeth. But what really happens is that the pressure is created on the gums and in the areas below, that is the fibers in the bones. And hence, when these fibers in the bones are under pressure, a continuous cycle of osteoblast and osteoclast takes place. Every time you visit your dentist, this amount of change is very much into so maybe less than that. And these changes that are taking place is very much into micron levels. So at the micro levels, this all is happening. So does it really cause a damage? My answer is no. No, my friends, it is not causing a damage, but it is a studied, a very well applied technology which is being practiced on you. So don't worry, your orthodontist is not fooling you, your dentist are not telling you or hiding you anything or hiding anything from you. But it is just a technique of how your braces work. And also remember that this procedure is done very steadily and stably. It is done by the studied professionals. So you cannot at home apply some wires and elastics and make the teeth to move. That is not going to happen. We are professionals and we exactly know when, how much and what kind of pressure in what direction is to be applied. And hence, getting your braces from an orthodontist or an expert dentist is going to be of 100% benefit. You don't need to worry or get scared about the braces. Now, few people think that there is mobility that is occurring during the braces treatment and your teeth are going to fall off after the braces. Don't worry, nothing of that sort is going to happen. Because your teeth are moving, a small amount of mobility can take place. Do not please yourself with your fingers, shake the tooth and check that if they are actually moving or no. That is going to do more harm. So, with their own steady pace, let them take the new position. Here, I hope that you all now understand and are not really afraid of how and why is my jawbone getting dissolved, or why are my teeth shaking when I have braces. Or do not believe on the myth that braces are doing harm to your teeth by dissolving your jawbone. It is nowhere just dissolving, it is the mechanism of formation and dissolution together. So at the end, you are going to have a beautiful and a very happy smile, which we all dentists and all professionals aim at. So if you have any other questions related to your braces or any other oral health issues, feel free to comment in the section below. Don't forget to like and share this video with the friends who are having braces on. Subscribe to my channel, Dr. Mansi Shah. Wishing you all a very happy and a healthy smile. Stay healthy, stay happy and stay fit. Thank you.